Good morning, students. In the last week, we have completed the first poem from the second unit. Okay? Today, we will learn the second chapter from the second unit. That is the Savanir. Okay? So, this story is written by Lakshman Lodhe. Okay, it is translated from the story Bhet by Lakshman Lodhe. Okay, so actually this story is written in Marathi. Okay, by the writer Lakshman Lodhe, and in the book Bhet. Okay, so in Marathi, meaning of Bhet is actually it has two meanings. Okay, first is Bhet means present or gift, and second is Bhet means visit. Okay, so it is then translated into English. Okay, so here the what do you mean by the souvenir? Souvenir means a thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. Okay, so students, whenever we go to picnic, okay, or we go to visit some place, then we bring some things, okay, so that uh, as the reminder of that place. Okay, means some things were only present at that place, okay, and are not available near us, so we bring that things, okay, as a reminder. So here also the girl who is mentioned in this story has brought something from the place where she had gone. Okay, so we will see what was that thing, okay, and what was her memories. Okay, so in this story it is mentioned that girl Siley went to the moon, okay, for picnic from the school. So this is not possible today. Okay, means today all people cannot go to the moon. Okay, so this is not today's story. Okay, this is story, okay, written by the writer. The writer imagined that is happened in the future. Okay, so now we all are not able to go to moon, but in future it may happen. Okay, so today we go to various picnics, okay, visits, okay, with our families. We visit many places and we bring something from there. Okay, so in this way, in this story, the girl named Siley is also gone to some place, okay, and that is moon, and here bring something from there. Okay, so we will start with the first para. Okay, with the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long. Still, she didn't seem to be contented. Okay, so here you can see, okay, with the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle. So, space shuttle means a vehicle in which people travel into space and back again. Okay, here you can see this is space shuttle. Okay, here you can see that this girl Siley, okay, tapping his nose onto the window, okay, and she's seeing the view outside. Okay, what is there outside? Stars. Okay, so she's seeing that. Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long. Gaze means to look steadily for a long time. Means she is looking that for a long time. Okay, from a long time she is looking outside the space shuttle. Okay, and she is looking the outside view. Still she didn't seem to be contented. Content means to say or argue that something is true. Means she is not believing that she is on the moon, she is going to the moon. Okay, she is in a space shuttle. She is not realizing that she is actually going to moon, and she is looking at the stars, at the view. She had read the description of this view several times before and had seen this scene on the video too. Okay, so she had read description of this view, means the star, okay, and moon. So she had read all the description of this view several times before. Okay, and also she had seen various videos also, okay, of that view. But this was different. Reading the description was one thing, watching the pictures and videos captured by the camera was another. But getting an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes, being present physically right in the midst of it, was indeed an out of the world experience. So, what Sahil is saying that means reading about some place, okay, and seeing pictures and videos of at that place, and actually going to that place is a different thing. Okay, so he was not believing, she was not believing. Okay, she was not realizing that she was actually there. Okay, so she was very excited, very happy. Okay, that she got the opportunity to view that amazing panorama. Okay, panorama means a very wide view. Okay, so she was very happy that she was able to see what she have seen earlier in pictures or videos. Now she was actually be able to go there, so she was happy. Being present physically right in the midst of it, midst means in the middle of, was indeed an out of the world experience. Okay, so out of the world means it means not found on the earth and also extraordinary. Okay, so normally what we mean by out of the world means extraordinary. Okay, something different. And here this phrase is actually used in two meanings. Okay, out of the world means extraordinary, and also she is on the moon. She was on the moon means she was not on earth, means she was not of on this world, she was on the moon. No matter how long she sat gazing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. Okay, so no matter how long she sat gazing means she was sitting there and looking outside that space shuttle for a long time. Okay, but she was happy. Okay, she was not tired, okay, of sitting there. Her awe and wonder did not seem abate. Awe means she was happy and also surprised. Okay, and she was looking towards the outside view very enthusiastically. Okay, very means she couldn't believe that she was there on the moon. Okay, and wonder did not seem to abate. Okay, so abate means become less, means she was very curious about the things. Abate means not be, means her interest about seeing that view is not less. Okay, she again want to see that view, okay, again and again, okay. She want to see that the things, the stars again and again. The earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller in the sky. Okay, so whenever we go away from something, okay, then that thing looks smaller and smaller to us. Okay, so in the same way, Siley is going out away from the earth. Okay, she is going towards moon. So she is seeing that earth very small, okay, smaller and smaller, and she was seeing the moon greater and greater, bigger and bigger. The azure blue sky was now looking jet black. Azure means bright blue, okay. Azure means bright. So the bright blue sky was now looking jet black, means dark black, okay. The sky is not now blue, it is dark black, okay. The clouds had disappeared, the stars were shining bright. So now, okay, on the moon or outside the earth there is no atmosphere, okay, and there were no clouds, okay, and she can now only see the stars, okay, which are shining bright, okay. So what we have seen in this video, that a girl named Siley, okay, had gone to the picnic on the moon, okay. She was traveling by the space shuttle, okay, and she is looking from the window the view, okay, and she was very happy, okay, and she is looking that with very much curiosity, okay. Thank you.